Hi guys, we received this SOOFUN multi-tool pen set for event purposes, and I'm gonna take it out of the box. It comes in this very nice box. Okay, once it's open, you can see that it's, well, obviously a pen set, and you can give it as a gift. It's 6 in 1, and I'm gonna show you. You can use it like a stylus, a level, ruler, or a screwdriver, and other functions. Okay, here we have the manual. We can see the stylus for your electronic devices. You get even a Phillips screwdriver. You need to remove the end of the stylus. I'm going to take it out. Okay, whoa, it's really nice. Okay, here is the stylus, and when we turn it like this, we get the Phillips screwdriver, and if we take it out, we get a flathead screwdriver, which is nice. You know, sometimes you need one of those. You have in here a bubble level, so you can level things out. Right there, we can see that, well, my desk is pretty level, and I like the shape because you put the level on different sides so you can see better when you're working. It also has this actually really nice ruler. This, you can measure things like this. Okay, and works also as a simple ballpoint pen. I put some notes here. Hi. This is actually really nice. To close a pen, you just spin this part and it's ready. Okay, it has a very nice design, and you get 2 replacements for the pen to use them whenever you need it. Okay, which is something nice to have. To replace the ink, you just pull this part like this, turn it and unscrew it. Okay, you take the screw it this, and you just take it out and replace it. Okay, it's actually very easy and convenient. As I said, you can use it with your electronic devices, which is really nice. So it's a really nice pen that you can give someone in Christmas or even a birthday, which is a very practical pen with 5 other functionalities. Okay, so it's really nice.